the view from one of the capsules. I just wanted to show you that this looks very much like in 2050 or 2200. So the year is 2025, but that looks very much like some of the very sci-fi movies. Usually I talk quiet on these videos because I don't want to upset anybody, but this place is completely empty. There's like 2 or 3 tourists in total, and the girls that they work here to operate the lifts. So I can talk a little bit louder now that I've seen that there's no people. I just wanted to show you the skyline of Shanghai. This looks very much from some sci-fi movies in the future. And you know, I'm not even certain if that is pollution. It could be just fog, because the temperature here is very humid. It's hot but humid as well. So it's not in shade, for example, you don't feel the heat that much. In the sun, it's gonna burn you really quickly. So I'm not sure if that is pollution, or just fog. The air definitely doesn't breathe like very polluted. So if you go to some of the European cities, for example, are far more polluted in terms of how they smell. Here it smells like clean air. So that could be something to do with the humidity, not with the pollution. But I don't know. You know, you have to check the pollution level index to find out. Over there is Shanghai Tower, the tower that I recorded the video from yesterday. And I don't know, I think they're both unique and interesting to see, so you have to go and see both. If you just see one, you're only going to see 50% of the whole picture. What I like about the Shanghai Tower, that it's taller, it's the tallest building in China, and they have an art exhibition at the very top, which I should have spent more time there. But here it's very much what you see in sci-fi movies, and this is from the 1990s. It has a different feel. This is much older. Actually, when you walk on the corridors, it feels like something that was recorded in the 90s or even before. See how those skyscrapers look like dwarfs comparing to that building? Those are very large skyscrapers, and they look tiny comparing to that tower. So I'm trying to see if there's a normal building to zoom in to tell you, just to show you how a normal building looks like. So that's a normal building. That's like 20, 15, 25, 30 levels, so probably more. You see, so that's like 30 levels building. So that one all the way from the bottom, if you count the levels, it's probably 30. So that's a dwarf. 30 levels is a dwarf comparing to this building, which is a lot more floors, and that's a dwarf comparing to this building, which is going really up. How did they build that? I have no idea. I'm not a civil engineer. How did they build that?